How's it going, everybody? It's Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So listen up. We have to break down this up-and-coming exploration company in this video called Musk Metals Corporation. They trade over-the-counter under ticker symbol EMSKF, and they trade on the CSE under ticker symbol MUSK. So guys, we have to break down what this company does, some recent news that we just got that's great news, and overall why you should add them to your watch list. So hit the like button, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 50,000 subscribers here on YouTube, and let's get into it, guys. Cheers, by the way. I got my coffee on deck. I'm ready to go. So again, the company's called Musk Metals Corporation, and they're exploring for a bunch of different metals in Canada, right? So we can see here, if I pull this up, we have uranium, lithium, gold, to name a few. And they're, again, up and coming, and they're currently trading at a shell valuation with... It's crazy because with all of the promising projects they have, you would think their valuation would be higher, but that gives them more room to grow, potentially. The fact that they have all of these promising projects with as low of a valuation as they have right now. So like I said, guys, this company is exploring for uranium, gold, lithium, to name a few things, and they have a lot of exciting and promising projects. Musk Metals is focused on the development of highly prospective discovery stage mineral properties located in some of Canada's top mining jurisdictions. Some of these jurisdictions include the Abitibi region, James Bay region of Quebec, the Golden Triangle, a district of British Columbia. So they're nicely spread in Canada, and again, they're exploring for gold, lithium, uranium, to name a few things. And if I come down here a little bit more, we can learn a little bit more about their different projects, which again, this company is trading at a shell valuation right now, which is pretty interesting considering the fact that, again, their projects are pretty promising here. So we have the Fafnir Lake uranium property right here. You guys can see this property consists of 36 claims covering over 21 hectares, and the property is approximately 75 kilometers north of the town of Mont Laurier and has good access through a network of secondary and lumber roads, which is very important. And the property is comprised of the Hewlier Lake and Fafnir Lake showing. So that is a very important project for the company. Again, it's called the Fafnir Lake uranium property. And coming down here a little bit more, we also have the Besant Lake uranium property. This comprises 35 claims covering 2,056 hectares, and the property is approximately 50 kilometers northeast of the town of Mont Laurier and has excellent access through a network of secondary and lumber roads, just like the Fafnir Lake uranium property. And coming down here a little bit more, we have the recently acquired gold project, which this one is in Quebec within the Belterre-Anglers Greenstone Belt, also known as BAGB, which is in the metal-endowed Abitibi subprovince, a very prolific area here for gold. So that is another promising project for the company here. And they also have the Elon lithium property in Abitibi, Quebec. They have 100% interest in the prospective Elon lithium property that spans over 245 hectares in the Laccorne and Piedmont townships of Quebec, approximately 40 kilometers north of the mining town of Val-d'Or. And this is another strategically located property. On top of that, they have the Lawyers North east, and west claims in the Golden Triangle in BC, and these are highly prospective mineral claims located again in the Golden Triangle or Golden Horseshoe region. And this is contiguous to the southeast and southwest of Benchmark Metals' Lawyers Gold and Silver Project. That's another company, Benchmark Metals, and these claims cover approximately 13,792 acres and are on trend with several mines found in the region. And you guys can see the property has been optioned to a third party with 50% of the potential 100% already exercised. And of course, the Pluto property. Can't forget about that one, guys. The Pluto properties are contiguous to and within Kennerland Minerals project and the prolific Abitibi Greenstone Belt in the province of Quebec, and the property has been optioned to a third party. Keep that in mind. And the list goes on, guys. They have another lithium property in James Bay, Quebec, the Pontax lithium property. Also another one here, another lithium property in James Bay, Quebec. So guys, they have a lot of promising projects that you need to keep an eye on. And this will show you right here that Musk Metals has officially began exploration at their Fafnir Lake uranium and molybdenum property in Quebec. Coming down here a little bit more, this is an 100% owned property located in the Upper Laurentides region of Quebec, and the company is carrying out detailed outcrop sampling in an area by 4 kilometers by 1 kilometer, encompassing both the Fafnir Lake and HayWIRE Lake showings, which are nearly 3 kilometers apart. This is very good news, guys, as the company, the property rather, the Fafnir Lake property, consists of 36 claims covering 2,100 hectares, and the property is approximately 75 kilometers north of the town of Mont Laurier and has good access through a network of secondary and lumber roads. The property is comprised of the HayWIRE Lake and Fafnir Lake showings, and findings at this property include uranium oxide, molybdenum, of course, we have lead, zirconium, and of course niobium, which these were spread in various locations on the property. So that's definitely exciting for Musk Metals, 100%. And overall, guys, experts, analysts forecast that there's going to be a continued rally in prices of uranium, which they do have a lot to deal with uranium, this company, Musk Metals. So this could potentially open it up as a trading opportunity as well as the price. Analysts, again, like I said, think there's more upside. They think there's a bounce back. So this could actually open up an interesting opportunity for Musk Metals, as clearly uranium has been going up massively over the last couple of years, and I think a bounce back could be in store here. So on top of this property that they're beginning to explore on, right, a couple of months ago, Musk acquired a gold project in Quebec, right? They acquired a gold project in a very popular area in the Abitibi sub-province, and this property, or in this region, is within the Belleterre-Anglers Greenstone Belt, also known as BAGB, and the BAGB is regionally known for the historic gold mines around the town of Belleterre, which lies 50 kilometers to the east, and numerous CUNI magmatic occurrences and historic mines. There's a lot of history, guys, behind this gold project that they acquired a couple of months ago in Quebec, which gold, the price of it is hitting all-time highs. Gold keeps on going up, ladies and gentlemen. It's currently trading at $2,750 an ounce, and it's up 88% in the past 5 years. And experts believe, just like uranium, they think it's going to go up. They also think gold has more upside. They believe that gold, $3,000 an ounce, they think it's going to happen at some point. They think it's going to happen at some point, which this gives Musk Metals even more incentive to explore for gold and strike gold, no pun intended, on their exploration, right? So this company is definitely a must watch. Again, the company's called Musk Metals Corporation, and there's a lot going on. They have a lot of promising projects, and like I said earlier in the video, their valuation right now is very low. In my opinion, arguably too low for how many promising projects they have that, could develop well over time. So you need to add this company onto your watch list, as again, they just began exploration at the Fafnir project. There's a lot of other projects that are very vital to the company, so add them to your watch list. I'm sure I'll do an update on this company at some point over the next couple of weeks or months, so make sure to subscribe. And the ticker info is all down below for Musk Metals. They trade on the CSE under ticker symbol MUSK and over the counter under ticker symbol EMSKF. So go check them out, guys. And of course, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you to go buy or do anything with this stock. This is for entertainment purposes only, and to put the stock on your watch list. And full disclosure, I own 0 shares of Musk Metals as of now, so keep that in mind. And with that being said, guys, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe for more content. Cheers. I appreciate you all for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.